this is Chantel WTI. We have had our Levoit Air Purifier for several years now. We love it. It's in our room right next to our bed so we can breathe fresh air all night long while we sleep. But I had never tried the pet allergy filter until recently and I am loving it.
Now, we don't necessarily have pet allergies, but we do have two beagles that sleep in our room every night. And although the original filter has been working wonderfully, we've been using it for years, I just thought I would step it up a notch and try out the pet filter because the thought of this guy's dander flying around my room at night was really starting to gross me out. And I've definitely been able to notice a difference with this filter. It definitely takes the dog odor out of our room, and just knowing that everything that's floating around is being sucked up into this bad boy is just a very comforting feeling. And the filter is very easy to switch out and it can last 6 to 8 months, but I try to vacuum it once a month so it will have a longer lifespan.
I definitely recommend giving this filter a try if you have pets that sleep in your room, but that's just my point of view.